In today's video, I will show you how to hard reset the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. So let's get started. Now, first of all, just open Settings, then tap on General. Now at the end of the page, you will find the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Now as you can see, erasing will sign you out of your Apple ID and it will remove and delete all your personal data on this iPhone. Now just tap on Continue and select Erase iPhone. As you can see, it is uploading your data to your iCloud. Now if you do not want to back up your data to your iCloud, you can skip this step. Now just enter the password of your Apple ID. After you enter the password of your Apple ID, then tap on Done. And this is how you can hard reset the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.